what they call a cat room. So basically, I'm gonna paint this, repaint this whole thing here real quick, make it look better. I had did some prior patchwork just to try to help it out a little bit, but they didn't ask for that to be done, so we'll just go with what we got there and just cover it all up. Looks like this needs to be cleaned a little first. All right. All right, so we're putting the new locks in for the garage. I'm gonna do a whole new set here and a whole new set here. So let's get them done. Okay, so we got the two garage doors. They lock. Perfect. And then the one out here. Boom. Locks perfect. We just leave that locked. And we lock that one. Alright. Alright, so re-cleaning the bathroom. Nice and fresh, smells better. Yeah, get that final little mop before I come out. Since we have a spray or a stink problem around here still, we use a Wizard double action 2-in-1 deodorizer and freshener. So we just give it a good freshening, close that up, let that soak. Then over here we did some Old English wood polish for this to kind of brighten it up. Brighten it up, let it smell good, fresh wood. Just like that. Look at that, that really brightens it up good. Get that little wood polish in there. Give it a nice little mop. All right, so pop. Clean the bathroom again. Oh. Nice and fresh. Clean the ceiling fans. And we're re-polishing the floor here, re-sanitizing. Okay. Alright, all the cleaning's done up here. Give it another spray. Doing a video. Spray it real good up here. We'll do the rest of it on our way out when we're done with the painting. Painting's in progress, looking good. All right. Oh, it looks like we have this to fix, huh? All right, let's fix that. Alright, so we can remop this. There's a smell down here though. Now, something was mentioned about a leak where the supply line is. Currently, I don't see any leak, so I don't know. Maybe a little moisture there, but not really no leak yet, so I wouldn't even bother with it. Okay, so here we've cleaned down here real good, mopped all along. kind of clean the wall a little bit, some window sills. Got a lot of that lint out of here. There's a lot of lint on the floor. Got rid of that. Wanted me to check these, but these are froze, so I'm gonna have to come back at another time on this. Yeah, they're just froze right now, so it looks like the valves are probably bad anyway, so I may want to just replace them completely. But we'll go over that. Probably have to do an estimate for this because I have to replace the entire valve set. And then, so we'll look at that later. I'm just really disinfecting here. Okay. We'll do another spray on the way out. And as you can see, this thing's clean. It's clean in here again. Clean the living room. And hallway, remopped, refreshened. It's a lot better, so we're doing good. All right, so another little portion here is we cleaned the garage out, even mopped it. It's got a lot of the dust up. It's really clean. Still got trash over here that needs to go out, but hopefully the new tenants can take it out on Sunday. Looks good. Okay, so here's the paint job in the cat room. Looks real nice and fresh now. Okay, looks good. Even cleaned up all that dirt and patchwork there. Looks good. All right, so that's the cat room, basically floor and wall prepped and ready for carpet or whatever is going to go up here. All done. All right, so I put the bathroom window screen back in. The other thing on the list was a window upstairs. We can go look at that real quick. Here, it's just that one. As for the windows, this window's broke and I wouldn't be able to fix it. It's gonna have to be replaced, so I would just replace it.